Hi guys, I hope you're well. Today we're making mashed matoke or mashed green bananas. Guys, this is a very quick recipe and definitely one of my favorites. Here are my green bananas that I'm just going to peel and cut into halves, and like you can see, they are almost ripening. I got them from the up country, and clearly because they were almost ripening, so I just decided to make them. And excuse my voice because I have just a terrible cough, but I'm going to be okay. So I've just prepared the green bananas, and then I'm just going to add them to a sufuria, add enough water to boil them, add a small amount of salt, and then you're going to cover this and allow the bananas to cook until they are soft. And guys, if there's something that you're going to learn on this channel, is that cooking is very easy, especially home cooking. You do not have to have very complicated recipe. They can be very straightforward and easy to do even when you are tired from work or when you've got guests. You're just going to realize that it's very easy to make your own meals at home, and they are delicious. So I have boiled the matoke, and like you can see, they look so good, guys. And I'm just going to drain the excess water to use later. Do not discard it yet. And then I'm just going to use a mwiko to mash. If you've got a masher, by all means you can use that. I just wanted to use a mwiko for this recipe, and you're going to mash until everything is well incorporated, and then set that aside and fry some onions. And for the onions, guys, the more the onions the better, so I just like to use more onions. And after the onions have turned golden brown like you see here, just go ahead and add the bananas that you have mashed, and then you're going to use the water that you drained from the bananas. Guys, these bananas were so yummy even without frying them, but because of my children, I just had to fry them because they like the mashed bananas to be fried because of the taste and the flavor. So just go ahead, add the water. This is the water that I got after boiling the matoke. You can use all of it, or you can leave some for another thing. And I just went ahead and mix because remember, the matoke tend to dry out quickly whenever you mash them and set them aside. So just go ahead, mix, ensuring everything is incorporated well. Taste for salt to ensure that the salt is good, and also on the side be preparing some stew to serve the matoke with. Guys, I love matoke so much, and even like you can see from my channel, I have done so many recipes. Like the upcoming one will be one that you love, so be on the lookout. Subscribe to this channel and you're going to be notified. And like you can see, it is so easy to do that. This is something delicious that you can make at the comfort of your home, and it also is healthy. And for mine, I just served with some steamed cabbage and some minced beef like you're going to see, and it was delicious. We loved it so much. Thank you guys for watching this video up until this point. Please like it. And this is how I presented my food, and we loved it so much. I hope you try out this recipe. Thank you so much for being here. I appreciate each and every one of you, and until next time, bye bye.